All right, I'm here with Clint, and we are in the creek trying live bluegills. We got one out with a float, and then we're going to put one on the bottom with a sinker. And then we got a creek chub we're going to cut in half and use as cut bait and use that on the bottom with 2 more rods. And we're doing this because we're highly limited on bait. We only have 2 more bluegills left. So I'm hoping we get lucky with one of these. There's kind of a lay down like right there. I might put this right in front of that. Perfect. What we're working with here is just kind of a deep pool. The creek separates right here, so there's like a point and then skinny water and skinny water. And this is the beginning of maybe a 1/4 mile stretch of maybe 5 foot of water to 6 feet, maybe as deep as 9 feet. We have a good chance of pulling something out of here with only one thing going against us right now other than low bait. We don't have much water flow, but I guess we get to see what happens. Line's moving. Whoa! He went nuts when I reeled down on him. Oh wow, it's a drum. Haha, that's really cool. First fish of the day is a drum. Oh, we're so gonna run out of bait. He's croaking. Clint did catch a little bluegill off camera, but a drum. That's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever caught a drum in this waterway. I'm not going to use them as bait. I'm going to just let them go. We'll probably catch a couple more bluegill. They do get much bigger than this too, so grow up. Cut bait 1, live bait 0. Wow, he is lively. I think I'm going to use the small bluegill as cut bait. This is the one that Clint caught. The others are big, and I want to save the big ones for the big fish. So this guy gets sacrificed. I'm just going to put a small piece on this. It's only a 5/0 hook. Maybe we'll catch another drum. Like I said, we got to conserve bait and try to catch a couple more fish. Just to give you guys an update, it is the 4th of July weekend, so there's fireworks going off all around us. We have yet to catch another fish on either live bait or cut bait. This particular spot has a laydown in the middle of the creek, and there's an island like just right behind the boat. So we got a channel here and a smaller channel over here. And I've got cut bait and live bait in that channel, and then cut bait and live bait in this channel, in the smaller channel. And a float with a big bluegill on it that has swimmed into the laydown that's back here. There's a lot of wood in the water right here that I would think would hold flatheads, but so far the bluegill swam into it and is now hung up. And we're getting a lot of little fish jumping around us, and I think it's because of the lights. Or it's the mayfly hatch that's going on. There are mayflies flying around everywhere. Right now it's pretty much the end of spawn, so I figured, you know, maybe they'd be swimming around. And maybe not. At least we caught a fish tonight, which is really good. We're going to sit at this spot a really good while. I mean, probably an hour, 2 hours, and then we're going to move to one of my other spots further upstream where I've caught some nice flatheads at. And I think I've caught flatheads there this time of year, and that water is bath water. It's like 80 to 85 degrees out there. This water is like 74 degrees. And the further we go upriver here, the colder the water. I really wanted to go really far upriver, but we didn't have that much bait. So I stuck to some of the places I've been trying out instead of going upriver to a spring to see if any flatheads are hanging around that spring. Oh, and a side note, poor Clint has got hung up like 100 times today. He has gone through nearly an entire jar of Gulp Minnows trying to catch us more bait. He has successfully caught us a few more bluegill, so some of these are actually fresh bluegill or fresh cut bluegill. But right now we have one in the live well and everything else out. Very, very limited on bait today. We both forgot to bring worms tonight. But that's not stopping us from at least trying to fish. Maybe something will drop by. Yeah, I think we got a mayfly hatch going on here. Got mayflies everywhere. And look at the water. That is mayflies all over the water. My boat is going to be loaded with mayflies by the end of the night. This could be why they're not biting too, because they got plenty of food in the water. Gotta take her. Maybe not. We've moved again, and these two have the cut bait. That one on the outside has live bait. That one has live bait, and that's the float going upstream because the current is going in the wrong direction. Going this one now. Probably channel cats. There's a lot of junk in the water from the mayflies. Back there at the other spot, it was actual mayflies in the water, and here is the carcasses or the outside shell from the nymphs turning into the mayflies, and it's just all over the place. And these two having those quick bites have been the first bites in a long time tonight. So maybe we'll finally catch a catfish tonight. Oh, I got him. Yes. Whoa. Feels like he's on something out there. Where are you? Should have let Clint catch this one. Oops. What is this? Oh, that's a channel. I think it's a channel. That's a big channel. I don't know if I can pick them up. That is a big channel cat. This guy got hooked really good with a 8/0 hook. Really nice channel. That is a big one. Wonder how many pounds this guy is. Eight and a half pounds. Slightly under 8.5 pounds because I'm using the fish grips. But man, that's a nice one. I'd take a channel like this any day. Cool. Caught a drum, caught a channel catfish, all on cut bait, and nothing on the live bait yet. See if I can get close to you guys. Sometimes I can't do this. Channel catfish. Whoa. He's really stinky too. He smells really bad. I'm gonna let him go. Maybe he'll grow bigger. He's ready to go. Come on, let go of my grips. Come on. All right, cool. We do have one more bluegill left, and I guess he's going to become cut bait. Is it there? Can you get it out of the rod holder? That's the live bait. Finally something on live bait. Let Clint reel this one in. What in the world? A channel cat. I've caught channel cats here on live bluegill. We don't have no bait to put back on that. But hey, we're catching fish. Whoa. Cool. Awesome. Whoa. You get smacked in the face. Channel cat. Alright, gonna put him back in the water. Whoa! We keep having fish like jump out of the water like Asian carp all around us. Really strange. I think what we're going to do, we're going to reel that one in and put that fish on this rod because the float is not being lucky tonight. This guy's got hung up like twice, maybe 3 times already. It's time to put him on a different rod and reel. You have any more places to hook him? That is a big piece of bait. Hope a really big flathead decides to drop by. I want Clint to catch it. Oh, 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 I think you got fish.
Grab it.
No, grab it, it's yours. Ah! He's not there.
I think these rods.
Come up and check it.
I think these rods have some bad juju.
Yeah, he's still there. I think the little one. You can get the bad juju out of the rod. Gotta be there. Yeah, he's swimming around. Try really. Go down. You there? No. Ah! Thought for sure he was. I was hoping there was a fish on there. What always happens with these rods?
They'll play with it. Get your hopes up and nothing. Wonder if Whisker Seeker will trade me rods.
Oh, look at that.
Jeez.
He's there now. He's got to be there. No. Maybe not. Oh, yeah. Just reel it. I bet he's there. I think he's there. There you go. Finally, a fish on that rod. Good old Whisker Seeker. You still there? Yeah. Whoa. What do we got here? Oh, jumping catfish. I think it's a channel. Good size one. They've all been pretty good. Oh, bang. Now we just scared all the fish away. Oh, quick release. We got him to the boat. That counts. That definitely counts. And now we don't have no bait.
I touched them.
Why don't we take the one we have out the back of the boat? Let's put it out the other back of the boat.
There you go.
You want me to cast it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this, a pin squall?
Mm-hmm.
Pin squall, 15 LW. Really sounds weird when I cast it. Running low on bait. Didn't hook up. Something in the water. Could be just a big bluegill on that, I hope. Okay. Well, we're reeling up and heading back to the ramp. My boat is full of mayflies. And we were able to catch a couple of catfish. So I think it's been a good night. No flatheads yet. They're probably still at the end of spawn or whatever. Eventually I'll be able to catch another one here. But we were able to catch some fish on limited bait. So it kind of goes to show you don't need much bait to actually catch a few eater-sized catfish. And those are definitely big eater-sized catfish. Although I wouldn't eat them out of here because of the coal ash in the water. Anyway, it's been a good night. And I want to thank you guys for taking your time out of your day to watch this video. I really, really appreciate it. And if you're ever in East Tennessee, go to Big Fish Outfitters. This is Big Fish Outfitters' new cook.
Come on by.
He's a good cook, so get something to eat from them. Maybe one of these days we'll be able to land a huge, huge flathead in this boat. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you guys next time.